The family of an Ontario woman left paralyzed by a work-related injury say they are still waiting on hundreds of thousands of dollars from the province's Workplace Safety and Insurance Board. Now, they say it's been 8 years since the money was ordered to be paid out to retrofit her home and improve her quality of life. We get the story from John Lancaster.
It's utterly ridiculous.
Francine Vasa says she's run out of patience. She and her mother Ruth have been fighting WSIB on behalf of her sister Cynthia. Once a successful executive for a luxury hotel chain, Cynthia suffered blood clots from frequent flying that eventually led to cardiac arrest, then brain damage, leaving her unable to move or speak. Vasa's sister and mother wanted to help take care of Cynthia at home. WSIB told them to move out of their rental and buy a house so it could be renovated to meet Cynthia's medical needs. They bought the home, but now 8 years later, the family says WSIB is still stalling paying for those needed renovations.
We have an injured worker who is permanently disabled. There's no question about the claim, there's no question about her injury, yet simple things are becoming very difficult and time is stretching beyond what we believe is fair.
As it stands, Vasa remains confined to the living room of the home. The renovation would include a basement bedroom, accessible washroom, therapy space, and a lift so Vasa could access other parts of the home. Cynthia Soda has been working with the family to design this space.
The biggest thing is to create a space for her that she can heal properly and be able to get some semblance of her life back.
In a statement to CBC News, WSIB says it tries to pay out benefits as quickly as possible, but sometimes it takes longer than anyone would like. This labor lawyer says WSIB shouldn't be stalling injured workers.
The WSIB has what we call a default to no. So their default answer to most claims that are anything more than a few days missed is to deny it or to eventually find a reason to deny it. And it takes a long time to appeal.
The Vassas have already successfully appealed WSIB decisions twice and will likely challenge them again because they say the board is also refusing to pay for round-the-clock medical care that doctors recommended.
Right now it is my mother and myself who take care of her 24 hours a day, 7 days a week since 2015 without respite, without resources.
After years of fighting, the Vassas hope WSIB comes through soon. John Lancaster, CBC News, Stouffville.